Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy Bethian. Students, myself Dr. Janandra, and we have the topic differences between the micro and macroeconomics. Students, in the previous videos we have discussed about the uh, definitions of the micro and macroeconomics, subject matter of the micro and macroeconomics. Now we have make a proper differences between micro and macroeconomics. What are the differences? We can make difference between the micro and macro in this way: micro economics and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics. First difference we take on the basis of its definition. First difference we take on the basis of definition, that microeconomics studies the economic problems, economic issues, economic relations at the individual level. It is the study of the economic problems of a particular firm, a particular household, or a particular industry. It means economic problems in the microeconomics is studied at individual level. On the other hand, in the macroeconomics, in the macroeconomics studies the economic problem, economic issues, economic relations at the whole economy level. It is the study of the aggregates. That's why it is also called aggregative economics. For example, the study of the unemployment in India, study of the growth of the GDP, etc. are the example of the study of the macroeconomics. It means in first difference is on the basis of the microeconomics. It second difference we take, that microeconomics studies microeconomics is basically concerned with the determination of the output and the prices of goods and services. Basically concerned with the determination of the output and prices of goods and services of an individual firm or industry. That's why it is also referred as theory of price. First difference is that it deals with economic problems at individual level. Second, and macroeconomics deals with economic problems at the whole economy level. Second, we take second difference. It is also called theory of price. It is called theory of income, output, and employment. It is referred as theory of price. it is referred as theory of income, output and employment, because it basically studies the aggregate income, output and employment. Third, in the study of microeconomics, we take we assumes that macro variables remain constant. In the study of microeconomics, we assume that macro variable remains constant. In the study of macroeconomics, we assume that micro variables remain constant. In the next, in the microeconomics, demand and supply play very important role for the solution of the microeconomic problems. On the other hand, in the macroeconomics, fiscal policies, monetary policies, that is the government policies, play pivotal role. And you already know that microeconomics comes from the Greek word micros, and word macro comes from the Greek word macros. In this way, we see that there are many differences between the micro and macroeconomics. Now watch the next video.